Hi, this is Tim Nelson. Welcome to our website. Our website supports logging with your organization Microsoft accounts. Here, I'll just use my University of Houston student accounts. This is our homepage. Let's go straight to profile. And before we profile, it requires your Cougar ID. This is for further security. And right here, this is the profile page for administrator. There is another role, basic user, but basic user does not have this profile page. In this profile page, the administrator has access to user management tools like create user, update user, delete user, and all the other functionalities that I will explain in details later. Let's first dive into the main functionality of our website, writing request and approving request. So let's go to the requester side first. And there are 4 requests we can make right now. Let's just pick the first one, release public information. And here you can see the PDF of the request form. And down here, we can provide our information for the form. I'll choose my signature here. And you can either save or submit. Let's just submit here. After making the request, this is the page the requester sees until the request is approved or returned. We can go back to menu and try to make the request again. No, you have to wait until it is either approved or disapproved. And this is the requester side. Let's go back to profile and see what happens on the approver side. An approver must be an administrator, and administrator has access level. Level 1, right now I'm level 1 and level 2. This is because by default, the approval system is 2-leveled. There is a staff level and there is a department level. A request is only approved after it is approved on both staff level and department level. Let's see a real example and go to here, release public information. Right here, I have both access to level 1 and level 2. So I can see all the pending requests requiring a staff level approval and department level approval. Right now, this one has a 0 in department level and 1 at staff level. This means that it is required pending for staff level approval. You can see all this information here, and let's just build detail and see. This is the PDF, the complete PDF of the request, and it's looking neat. We can approve this, and right now, after we approve this, the department level changed to 1 and staff level changed to 0. This means it's waiting for department level approval, which we also has access to. So we can build detail again and approve it. And now our pending list is empty. The request has been processed, and we can go back to the requester side to see what's going on. See, the requester side received the approved PDF, and the request is completed. It's approved, and they can finish it here. And so after this, I want to show you our dynamic workflow management. This is about the access level, approval level. It also indicates how important the request is. For a important request, we can make it to level 2. It needs 2 level of approval. For a not so important request, we make it to level 1. Maybe just like 1 approval is more than enough. And for some very easy requests, it's level 0. It doesn't actually need an approval. Let's try level 0. So we can see in the table down here the change is reflected. Now we can write the same request again. And submit. And see, we go directly to the approved PDF and we can finish it up. This is what it means to be a level 0 approval level. And besides the dynamic workflow management here, we also have dynamic assignments of access level to approvers. First, we can write a request. Let's pick graduate student petition here. And autofill, choose the signature, and submit. And request is being processed. So now let's go back to the approver side. And let's go to the corresponding list, graduate student petition. We can see like department level 0, staff level 1, everything is going as expected. And let's go back and dynamically assign the access level to the only approver here, which is me. So update user, I will enter my email here. And select status for level 2. This is the staff level. I will change it to 0. That is, I deny access to staff level approval to myself and submit. And let's go back to graduate student petition here and see we can't see the pending request anymore because we just lost the access. So let's go back and change it back. Update user again, I enter my email here. And level 2, let's make it 1 again and submit. And let's go back again, graduate student. Now we can see it because we just regained that access. And after this, I want to talk about this delegate. What does it really do? Let's just try it first. Suppose there are 2 versions of me. I want to delegate to myself. I'm the boss and the staff at the same time. And now, see, I have this request pending in my delegated category. So like the boss version of me just delegated this approval task to the staff version of me. And let's view detail here and try to approve. And see, like it's approved and the approval level changed. Before it was staff level and now it has become department level. And the same change has been reflected on the pending list of the boss version of me. This enables the boss to keep track of the work they have delegated. And let's try again as the staff and as you notice, as a staff, we can access department level request here. Let's view detail and approve again. And approved. This is what happened with delegation. We can go back to write request and graduate student petition. And this is the approved PDF. We can finish it up here as the requester. And last, I want to show you the historical approval. This is a list for all historical approval forms. We can view the PDFs here. And in the end, let me log out. File, Microsoft.